In the vast expanse of our universe, where mysteries abound and questions linger, researchers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The year 2024 has already seen a surge of extraordinary discoveries, many of which challenge our current understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. From startling revelations about the structure of the universe to groundbreaking advances in technology and biology, there is an undeniable sense of awe that these findings invoke. These discoveries not only open up exciting new areas of exploration but also raise critical questions that urge us to reconsider some of our most fundamental beliefs. However, not all of these revelations are as simple as confirming what we already know. Sometimes, they turn our previous ideas upside down, forcing us to confront the fact that what we thought was true may have been completely wrong. Today, we're diving deep into these mind-boggling discoveries that are sure to leave you questioning everything we thought we knew about the universe, technology, and the very nature of life itself. 2024 has already delivered some astounding revelations from the cosmos. One of the most mind-bending discoveries came early in the year, when scientists identified two gargantuan structures in space that shouldn't exist according to our current understanding of the universe's distribution of matter. These colossal formations defy everything we thought we knew about the structure of the universe and challenge the very framework that has guided our understanding of cosmology for decades. One of these enormous structures, called the Great Arc, was revealed to be an arc of galaxies and galaxy clusters stretching a staggering 3.3 billion light-years in length. That's far larger than anything we should expect based on current models of cosmic structure. This discovery alone was enough to send shockwaves through the scientific community. But then, just a few months later, a team of researchers led by Alexia Lopez from the University of Central Lancashire discovered another structure equally as baffling, the Great Ring. This massive formation, located about 9.2 billion light-years away, measures 1.3 billion light-years across and stretches a further 4.4 billion light-years in circumference. To put that into perspective, if it could be observed with the naked eye, this ring would take up as much space in the night sky as 15 full moons. Yet, since it's far too faint to see without advanced telescopes, we're left to marvel at the mystery of its existence from a distance. These discoveries have forced scientists to ask, how is it possible that such massive cosmic structures exist? Our most accepted cosmological models suggest that matter in the universe should be fairly evenly distributed, with slight variations. Yet, these gargantuan formations seem to contradict that assumption. In fact, the size of these structures far exceeds what the standard model of cosmology predicts. But the mystery doesn't end there. What's even more perplexing is the fact that both the Great Arc and the Great Ring are located within the same region of the sky, separated by only about 12 degrees. This begs the question, could these two enormous structures once have been part of a single, even larger, formation? While researchers can only speculate, the discovery has prompted some intriguing theories. One suggestion is that these structures could be related to baryonic acoustic oscillations, waves of density fluctuations left over from the early universe. These waves might have formed massive, ring-like structures that we're now only beginning to observe. However, the true nature of these cosmic giants remains shrouded in mystery, and it's likely to remain a topic of debate for years to come. As if that wasn't enough to ponder, another discovery has come to light, this time, from the realm of technology and robotics. Imagine tiny robots that could soon revolutionize the way we think about robotics, agriculture, and even environmental monitoring. Researchers at Washington State University have unveiled a groundbreaking creation, tiny robots inspired by insects that are so small and light, they could soon be used to fertilize plants, monitor climate changes, or even conduct search and rescue missions. These robots are designed to be incredibly efficient, made from a shape memory composite that allows them to remember their original shape after being deformed. This could make them ideal for performing delicate tasks in difficult-to-reach environments. Despite their miniature size, some weighing only 8 milligrams, these robots are capable of carrying loads that are over 100 times their own weight, thanks to their unique material properties. Though they are not quite as fast as real insects, their ability to lift heavy objects and navigate intricate spaces makes them an exciting technological breakthrough. While there are still challenges to overcome, such as developing a reliable power source, these miniature robots could be a game-changer for industries ranging from agriculture to search and rescue missions, opening up new possibilities in fields we haven't even fully explored yet. It's not just tiny robots making waves in the world of technology. Another remarkable breakthrough is happening in the field of energy storage, with the potential to transform the future of battery technology. A research team in Australia has recently unveiled a new type of water-based battery that could make traditional lithium-ion batteries obsolete. These water batteries are cheaper, safer, and far less likely to fail compared to their lithium-ion counterparts. They are made using materials that are readily available in nature, such as zinc and magnesium, and feature a water-based electrolyte that can be enriched with salts. The researchers have also managed to solve one of the major challenges of battery design: dendrite formation. Dendrites are tiny crystal structures that form in traditional batteries and can cause short circuits, rendering the batteries unsafe or useless. In the case of these new water batteries, the researchers have coated the battery components with bismuth, a metal that rusts to create a protective layer, preventing dendrite formation and extending the battery's lifespan. These water batteries have the potential to revolutionize energy storage, making it safer and more affordable while also helping to reduce our reliance on harmful materials like lithium and cobalt. Moreover, these batteries are environmentally friendly and recyclable, offering a promising alternative to the conventional batteries we rely on today. With their potential to be used in solar cells and other renewable energy systems, water batteries could soon play a key role in reducing our global carbon footprint. Meanwhile, advances in the realm of biology are pushing the envelope of what we thought was possible. The topic of cloning has long been a source of intrigue, and recent breakthroughs in this area have sparked a range of ethical debates. What began in 1996 with the cloning of Dolly the sheep has now progressed to the cloning of monkeys, and more recently, to the cloning of rhesus macaque monkeys. In July 2020, researchers in China succeeded in cloning a rhesus macaque named Retro, the first clone of its species to reach adulthood. This remarkable achievement was made possible using the technique of somatic cell nuclear transfer, SCNT, a process in which the nucleus of an egg cell is replaced with the nucleus of a donor cell. While the procedure has been successfully used to clone a variety of animals, including cows, pigs, and even dogs, this success in primates represents a major leap forward in the field of cloning. The process involved creating 113 cloned rhesus macaque embryos, 11 of which were implanted into surrogate mothers. In 2 cases, pregnancies occurred, and one of the resulting clones, Retro, survived to adulthood. The team's success was partly due to the introduction of new techniques designed to improve the viability of the clone embryos. By removing trophoblast cells from the embryos and replacing them with ones created through controlled fertilization, the researchers were able to improve the implantation rate and ensure the embryos survived in the surrogates. While this achievement is undoubtedly a scientific milestone, it has also raised difficult ethical questions. How far should we go in cloning animals, and what moral considerations should guide this research? Rhesus macaques are of particular interest to researchers because of their genetic similarity to humans, and many important medical advancements have been tested on these primates. However, cloning such animals for research purposes raises significant ethical concerns. The suffering of cloned animals, as well as the potential for cloning humans, is a deeply divisive issue. While some scientists argue that cloning could open up new possibilities for medical research and the treatment of diseases, others point out the immense suffering that animals may endure as a result of these experiments. In some countries, cloning humans is prohibited by law, yet in others, such as China, the practice remains legal. But cloning primates may not necessarily lead to the cloning of humans. Many countries have strict laws that prohibit human cloning, including Germany, where cloning embryos for human reproduction is explicitly forbidden. Still, the advances in cloning technologies, particularly with primates, have led to a renewed debate about the ethical implications of such research. If cloning could one day be extended to humans, would it be morally acceptable? Or would it forever change our understanding of what it means to be human? But as the discoveries in space, robotics, energy, and biology continue to shape the world we live in, there's also another frontier, black holes, that remains a constant source of wonder and mystery. In 2024, astronomers unveiled the discovery of the oldest black hole to date, which exists 400 million years after the Big Bang. This colossal black hole, residing in a distant galaxy known as GNZ11, has confounded scientists with its size and the speed at which it grew. The black hole, which weighs around 1 million times the mass of our Sun, is consuming matter at an astonishing rate. What's even more puzzling is how such a massive black hole could have formed so quickly in the early universe. According to current models, black holes should take much longer to grow to this size, but the existence of this one challenges those assumptions. In fact, its rapid growth could hold the key to understanding the formation of early galaxies and the origins of the supermassive black holes that we observe today. The mystery surrounding this black hole is further compounded by its intense radiation, which surpasses the so-called Eddington limit by a factor of 5. The Eddington limit is the maximum rate at which a black hole can accrete matter without the outward pressure of radiation counteracting the inward pull of gravity. Exceeding this limit raises questions about how the black hole could have continued to grow at such an extraordinary rate, without emitting massive amounts of radiation that should have expelled matter from its vicinity. Some researchers have suggested that this black hole could have formed through a process known as super-Eddington accretion, where the black hole rapidly accumulates material while still managing to avoid the damaging effects of radiation. In this scenario, the black hole would expel a significant amount of energy, halting the formation of new stars and slowing down the rate of star formation in its host galaxy. Some scientists believe that this process could explain the mysterious dimming of the GNZ11 galaxy, which has been observed in recent years. As the supermassive black hole continues to grow, it may eventually become one of the largest and most influential objects in the universe. As you can see, 2024 is proving to be an exciting year filled with discoveries that challenge our understanding of the universe and the world around us. From the unexpected cosmic structures that defy our models of the universe to breakthroughs in cloning, robotics, and energy, the future is full of possibility. These revelations are not just scientific milestones, they are windows into a future where technology and knowledge will continue to shape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. As we stand on the cusp of these new frontiers, there's no telling what new revelations will emerge next. One thing is certain, however, the journey into the unknown is just beginning.